This is going to be another short video. So I've tree camped in this one. It was one of my tree camping with Hallie videos. This tree I've been speed climbing. Then this tree right here, I have not climbed yet. Just taking a breather. I did all this in one go. So probably 50 feet up. This is really surreal because I don't normally climb something that doesn't have limbs, at least part of the way up. I know it's not good, but I really don't care. I'm having fun and I don't believe I'm at any risk, so flame me in the comments if you want. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. This is so cool. But also don't try this at home and all that jazz, whatever. I don't know if that matters. I'm at about 75 feet. There's that tree I was talking about earlier. Look how low it is. I don't need flip-flops anymore. Alright, here we are at the next one. Right here. And I look up and I could probably get over 100 feet up in this tree. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so one of the things I like to do if I'm climbing alone is tie a butterfly knot with probably 20 feet or so of extra rope. So I'm going to this tie-in point that I'm not so sure about, but I got a secure hold, so I know it's good. But if it wasn't, I could just take the other end and I can pull it right back down, redo my rope, pull it over, and then throw for another spot that's better. But since this is good, we're gonna leave it. Well, I have officially gotten as high as I am comfortable with. I could theoretically stretch it to that little bitty limb right there, but I don't want to die today. I draw the line somewhere. I can feel the tree swaying a lot. I'm gonna see if I think I can do this again. This is one of my highest rappels out of a tree. Ooh, definitely easier with two hands. And not holding my phone. See this part? I need to get around this. Normally I would pull through, but one-handed I'm having to use gravity to work for me. So I just pulled back and started a swing. Always make sure it's feeding like this. I kind of control that with my foot if I can. Woo. And there we go. We're in the clear. That's what I'm talking about with this rope. I let off of it and it kept going for about 10 feet. Like, I'm not putting any pressure and it's still going. So you just got to be careful if you're using this, because it'll just start going and not stop. You can kind of see. Yeah, you can't even see the top. Okay. Here we go. Whew.
Ah, so close.